Hey guys, good morning. I made a, how do you call this one? Budgeted panda bar charm because I can't afford the real one. And I'm just kidding. The real one is made of leather and I think it's 600 euro shot. Suda Kobe, I forgot.
I don't know.
This is just the panda from the packaging. I do it my own. It's like a DIY Corby. I hope Dudu will not get jealous. Dudu is also a bag charm. Tonight I'm gonna I'll go to a birthday party, birthday of my friend, and I'm gonna bring my Demir Azur PM because we're gonna have an overnight stay in a hotel, Corby, okay? Tonight I'm going to a party. You will be with Papa tonight, okay? Just one night. Go back to my panda. I love it. Isn't it nice, guys? Because I'm not using this anyway. I just need to be careful for the rain. Or else it's very kaput. It's just a very, very thick paper, so it's not good when it's raining. You need to be careful. Oh God, I love it. Shots.
Yes.
Do you like it?
I don't know.
Corby has also a... He wants to show his... How do you call Kuscheltier? Kuscheltier in German is like...
Monster.
Kuschelmonster. It's a cuddle,
What?
whatever, cuddle bear, something like that.
No, a cuddle.
And Corby
chicken
did
nuggets.
that on his own in the school. Oh, what? How do you call your... Oh, does he has a name? Is he a
Yes.
he or a she?
He.
A he. What's his name?
Bob the
Bob.
Nuggets.
Don't move. That's Bob.
Bob the chicken nuggets.
Ah, it's a chicken nugget, so it's not a cuddle bear. It's a cuddle nugget. Huh? Cuddle nuggets. Corby, did you do this? How do you call that one? On your own? Really? Also the schema. Oh, what's his name again? Bob.
The chicken nuggets.
But you create the name for him, Bob, pura? Bob or Bod?
Bob.
Bob. He is Bob. Nice. Why is Bob is not smiling? He is sad. Are you sad?
He's just.
Okay. My God. So that's it, guys. My DIY panda bear. I love it.